Oh, this thing is fast. Go full throttle.
So finally I got my hands on the new scooter. Now this is the Kaabo Mantis 8. It is a smaller scooter compared to the Varla Eagle 1 I have, but it is also lighter and more compact. So in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and initial setup, some adjustments I made to the scooter, and a short ride along. So welcome to the channel guys, be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't, and as always, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Jolster, and let's do this! Alright guys, so let's check what's inside the box. Here we have the covers and the wheel nuts. This is the power cord. Well, this is gonna go to the power brick. Here we have the tool. I like these tools, these are very handy. And what is this, like a sticker? Yeah, Kaabo sticker. I like that. I have to remove this little piece right here. Oh my god, look at that color. That looks so awesome. It's flat black with flat red. Oh my goodness, it's looking good. Oh my god, look at that. This that is awesome. So here's the scooter, pre-assembled almost entirely. I still need to install the handlebars, which they go right here. I'm gonna use the tool to do that. My god, I am so excited for this. It looks amazing. So now the handlebar goes here, and then we just put back the secure part on top, and we attach this little bolts, and we are set to go, my friends. All right, so now the way the stand works is that this locking mechanism, you pull it up and then you can fold it, right? What I like about it is that there's also a lock right here, and we can't lift the whole scooter. And then when we're done, we want to use it, we lift it up here and automatically attaches to it. So it is locked right there, but for security we just secure this once. Make sure they're a little bit tighter. Tight. That's it. That's it. Alright guys, so here is the finished fully assembled Kaabo Mantis 8, and let me tell you, it looks amazing. I really like it. So far everything looks beautiful. I like the flat black color, and also look at this red. It's flat red or matte red, right? I don't know, I really like it. This design right here sort of looks like Spider-Man. It looks so sick. It feels solid. It is a little bit heavy, but it is lighter than the I also have the Varla Eagle 1, which I love that scooter too, but this one feels a little lighter. And I don't know, just the build quality looks amazing. These are 8-inch tires, and I believe these are 500 watt motors. Yes, so 500 watt front and rear. Top speed, it says about 25 miles per hour. We're gonna test it right now. But what I noticed is that it came with almost no power. See, the battery is almost empty, 0 miles, brand new. So yeah, I'm gonna have to recharge it. And then just give you a little tour. So over here we have the eco and turbo mode. We have that single or dual motor. Over here we have the lights. Turn on the lights, let me see. Yes, so those are the headlights. I've seen that before. And here are the tail lights. Yes. This also has turn signals. That is so cool. There it is. It is blinking. It's really awesome. So here we have a horn. No. Well, there's no horn, but we sure do have a little bell. Alright, so we have the brakes. I believe the brakes are mechanical. They're not hydraulic brakes, but they look very solid. I'm gonna give it a test drive, and I will tell you guys how does it ride. Oh, it has LEDs on the side. I didn't even see that before. Alright, so while the scooter is charging, I already step on it and put my 30 feet in there. While the scooter is charging, I'm going to make some modifications to it and also install the little covers and the carrying bag. Look at this, it looks like carbon fiber. It's so cool. There's also this logo that I want to install in the front. Alright, so let's put this one. These are actually super easy. These are going to be these little covers. Okay. The other one. And that's it. Yes, amigos, so now we're going to install the little carry bag. I really like this, man. There you go, simple. Now we can put some of my personal belongings in here. Let me see if I can put my phone. There you go. It's nice and secure. Yes, sir. Oh, that looks great. All right, so one thing I wanted to adjust is this throttle. I mean, like the position, how it is. I feel like it's too high. I don't feel comfortable. My hand is supposed to be like this, and then I can press the brakes right here, and I want the throttle to be a little bit lower. This way it's just so uncomfortable to me. Now in order for you to do that, you're going to have to loosen up the brake handle a little bit. There's a little screw right underneath. Make sure you loosen it up, and then you can move the brake a little bit, the brake handle. You see, this looks much more comfortable. Also make sure that it doesn't hit your finger, right? So I want the brake to be like around here, and then the throttle right here. All right, so that feels a lot better. Look at this. I feel more natural. The brake is just down here. I'm able to handle it good, and also the throttle. So what I did is I moved the brake handle a little bit lower, and then I moved this controller a little bit to the left, and also the throttle. So everything just feels more natural in my hand. Same with the other handlebar. Nice. Alright, so now it is time for me to install the logo. So I guess it's gonna go right here. There you go. Man, that looks awesome. Alright guys, so the scooter is charging right now. Everything is all set up, and I'm just waiting for it to be charged. I noticed that it only has one port for charging. Some scooters have dual, so you can charge it faster, but this one has one. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna see how fast. Normally it's about 7 to 8 hours, but that's normal. My god, I just wanted to show you a little close-up of the details. This Mantis scooter looks amazing. This is the Mantis 8. I know there's some other models out there, but I want to see how this handles. All right, let's do this. Maximum speed. $24. 25 miles per hour. Yeah, buddy. And the stopping power on this is also very good. Even though these are mechanical brakes, it has some great power. Man, such a beautiful day here in San Diego. Scooter is super quiet. Alright guys, so that's it for this video right now. Thank you so much for stopping by, and once again, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this kind of content, and also stay tuned for my upcoming videos, more uploads, more follow-ups on this scooter, and eventually I will also upload my final review. So thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Jolster, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Jolster out.